So, how to fix Facebook Messenger problem logout. So, if you have any problem with the logout in your Messenger, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Messenger right here and then click on force stop. Go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on clear cache, go back again, click on data usage, disable the background data and the roaming data, and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And the last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and congratulations. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.